Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thanks for waiting for this video. Today, we're excited to introduce the 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide, a road king for the new age. For riders seeking a combination of iconic Harley-Davidson styling and top-tier performance, the 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide is a flagship model that brings both. As part of Harley's custom vehicle operations (CVO) lineup, this motorcycle is packed with high-end features, comfort, and technology for those who like to cruise in style. 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide. MSRP $48,000. Engine 1,923 cubic centimeters Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin, air-cooled. Power 125 pound-foot of torque. Torque 125 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed manual. Seat height 27.4 inches. Weight 906 pounds. Fuel capacity 22.7 liters. Features: Reflex Defensive Rider Systems (RDRS). 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay. Custom designed premium audio system. Premium heated grips and touring seat. Adjustable suspension. Advanced ride control system with adaptive cruise control. Shark nose fairing for reduced wind buffeting. The 2025 model includes the latest in Harley's infotainment system with a 6.5-inch touchscreen display, integrated navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and Apple CarPlay compatibility. The bike also comes with a customizable ride control system, adjustable suspension, and adaptive cruise control. The Road Glide signature shark nose fairing enhances aerodynamics while reducing wind buffeting for a smooth ride. Additionally, the premium saddlebags, heated grips, and a high-end sound system make this a comfortable and luxurious touring machine. With Harley's Reflex Defensive Rider Systems (RDRS), the CVO Road Glide features cornering enhanced ABS, traction control, and a low-speed stability system that provides added security on all types of roads.